How do you get reviews for your Amazon business? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Amazon has made it harder and harder to get reviews for your business. So in this video series, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about engineering your own reviews for your Amazon store. Now, if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, you want to do that because this is part of a seven video series all about a heap of different ways to get reviews for Amazon, ranging from completely white hat to absolutely black hat. So you want to make sure you subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use some high-level strategies to steal reviews from competing websites to Amazon. Next one. So I'm going to get a little bit more interesting now. So here's something that I've recently started doing, and this is where I post jobs looking. Oh, it's already there. Look. Looking for. You can see that I've been doing this. Looking for product testers. So I'm on Gumtree. This is just for my Aussie business. Yeah, I'm on Gumtree. And I go looking for, I post a job for product testers via Gumtree. And I just say, hey, I'm just starting a new business. I'm looking for people to become mystery shoppers and product test for me. Interesting parties, apply here. You'll get heaps of people applying. Same thing again. Have a conversation with them. Hey, this is what I want you to do. I'm going to get you to buy the product on Amazon. And then I want you to test the product and tell me what you think about it. We'll go through it together. And then if you like it, would you be so kind as to leave me a 5-star review? That's a conversation you're going to have with them. Oh, and by the way, you get to keep the product. All right. So I'm doing that too. Notice there's a shitload of things I'm doing. That's on purpose. That's not an accident. I do heaps of things. So that's Gumtree. Next. This is something I've just started doing. You have to be super careful with this. You will need what's called a VPN to do this. Do not use your own IP address. Get a VPN to do this. You should go and research that if you don't know what I'm talking about. You should also get a throwaway eBay account. Do not use your eBay account you're going to sell through. And then once you've done those things, I go looking for good reviewers on eBay. So on eBay, unlike on Amazon, you can actually contact reviewers. So here's a very nice review left by somebody. That was left by Char934. Let's just click onto Char934. Ooh, 100% positive feedback. What a lovely experience they've been. What about if I just contact them and say, hey, you're a top reviewer on eBay. I wonder if you'd be interested in having a look at my product and testing my product for me. That's what you're doing. So you're using eBay to find reviewers for your Amazon business too. So you want to have like a slew of reviewers that you can go to and say, hey, I'm just about to launch a new product. Here's what we're going to do with it. You build up a list of people who are your product reviewers, which is really kind of where I'm taking you towards, okay? I do this all the time. You have to be careful with the language that you use, and you never want to put the word review. You always want to put the word test. Product tester, mystery shopper. Those are the words to use. You don't use Amazon review. I wouldn't even say Amazon, because that will probably get flagged too. But what I say is product tester. Would you be interested in product testing my product too? Simple as that, okay? Works really well. So that's eBay. Great strategy. Hi, I'm Neil Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and we've helped over 2,000 people right here in Australia start their very own profitable Amazon business and go from zero to over $50 million in sales and growing on Amazon right here in Australia. We're the largest community of online sellers anywhere in Australia, and you can find out more at AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au.